The Infinix Hot 70 Pro 5G is shaping up as a strong mid-range contender with a mix of modern features and competitive hardware that's expected to appeal to budget and value-oriented smartphone buyers. Rumors and early listings point to a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. The phone is expected to include a 108MP main camera, backed by capable imaging software, for detailed and high-resolution photos across a variety of lighting conditions. Under the hood, the Hot 70 Pro 5G is likely to be powered by a capable MediaTek chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and generous storage options, ensuring solid performance for multitasking and daily tasks. Battery life should be strong thanks to a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, providing plenty of endurance with quick top UPS when needed. Connectivity is rounded out with 5G support, making the phone future-ready for faster networks. While official details are yet to be confirmed, the Hot 70 Pro 5G is widely expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026, positioning it as a compelling option in the mid-range 5G smartphone segment.